Hey, everybody. I am coming to you today to bring a little bit of sunshine and rainbows before we go into spring break. So I wanted to start by talking about this year. And whew, it has been a year, has it not? I mean, first of all, August seems like that was a lifetime ago. But I know it was sort of a rough start with all the changes that we implemented, and not just changes we implemented, but me being the principal and Jenny and Aaron being so new in their roles and all the newness that came with the start of our school year. But we persevered and we got through it. And I felt like when we came into 2020, we were at a great place that we were ready to tackle anything that could come our way. And little did I know at that time what 2020 was going to bring us. This is, oh my goodness, the most surreal thing that I've ever experienced. And I'm sure the same is true for y'all. I wake up every day going, it can't get worse. It can't. And somehow it does. But what I have loved the most about this is, again, that our staff has stuck together, worked together, been positive, been encouraging, been nurturing. That has held true from the start of this school year till this very moment. And that is what I'm most proud of. I know it's been rough and I know that it has been challenging, but my greatest hope is what we have gone through in these last 8 months will make us that much better in the days and weeks ahead. And I am confident that when we get to 2021, we will be the most amazing collective group of people imaginable. So I appreciate all that you have done, and I appreciate all you will continue to do as we get through these last few weeks together. But if you need anything at all during these next few weeks, you know that I'm right here to help you through it. And speaking of helping you through it, we have created a Google form for you. I know the information presented this morning was shocking to some, upsetting, challenging to digest. I understand that. Having things taken away that you are passionate about, excited to teach, excited to grade, that can be a big upset. Even when you know deep down that it's for the best, it still is upsetting and disappointing. So if there are things that you would like me to know, or Shannon or Aaron or Jenny to know, please use this form. If you have questions, concerns, or thoughts, please use this form and we will review them next week while you are on spring break and come back with some answers when you come back to us in about 10 days. Speaking of spring break, that starts on April 3rd. And as I mentioned this morning, y'all need to take a break. I know that you may have had other plans a month ago for what this week will look like. Maybe you were going on a wonderful, huge vacation, or maybe you were just planning to go to a local park or restaurant or shop. And those are now not options anymore. And I know that can be disappointing. But what I do know is that you can get away from this, your computer screen, and you can enjoy something around your home, whether that is just sitting, just being outside in the sunshine, whatever it is that brings you joy, please find it and do it next week. Do not log in and grade. Do not log in and answer emails. I promise those are not going anywhere and can be handled when you get back on April 14th. So, is that date right? Oh my goodness. 14th? Yes, it is the 14th. Sorry. So please take that advice to heart. Tomorrow afternoon, once you have done all you need to do, please make sure you log off and do not return until the 14th. So I thank y'all for listening. I thank Sam Galt for putting this together. I'm sure y'all know this is not my creation. He's going to teach me this at some point, but he was so fabulous to throw this together for me so I can bring you a little sunshine and rainbow and happiness before you start your break. So again, thank you for all you continue to do. I am so appreciative of y'all, and I hope you have a wonderful time away.